I say sympathize with everybody because sikasem nyina ba basa. Sorry, I don't sabe bosika biamu because you need to survival is very important. Say a boy your mind no ma umbai. Maybe me can say baby every ye nyoko. A war na ye wage on yare a ye hu no. Dina ma me can say sojafo nyina mram. Sojafo nyina mram in the sense citizenry no me say ya discipline o mo. And I remember abaya bi obetra me nje me ka say ewra me ha untimi nta unless you put on your mask and yes sir untimi nta me nje ese bi eburu ma ya bibia gu ho o fi me kra mo twa fi so far so no kotra ka me to na me nje ha de we dey call the one dey on ma okwan ya and of course say you say is almost say sa wo and close a frama ventilation into emuremu and no I say baby I can suspend yare we ya be you ya boy for near rade ya boy for near rade ya bambo for no what must say empty the obia e kan dia aye aye adwinchira but an sana ye besi gina ba ne ye hunu se gina we ya yesi no and defeat to say the health minister can say and defeat and purpose but I nyan koye say amanfo kan tina ye hwayo nemu ye besi gina de faso de papa at the end no ye be hu say my yare na no abras and no na ye what I say so at the end of it no entimi my yare na no mrasia and then na suggestion bia bia no say be buru we are saying it in a layman point of view well doctor no so a doctor there medical did he say also bia nyina so bia ono omra clear with data with only ne baby a oda no kwa ne de
yes with data statistics no na be kire say onipa do say na office
what visit since we started so we year registration well akobu baby and now area do munya
me call Saint Anisa me like Kwame 99 but I've not really gone deep to be around the registrations.
Anyway, you will come back Kofi do akomu bebre.
Yes, and
mama anything Kofi easy to enforce laws against guarantor contractors. Also mo obi won mo nkuta Ghana card no okuta ba ko na di oyama yes voter ID bi okuta bi okwa this wunya guarantor no bia be nipa tu bia de no mo di gina ma say ye nim nipa no ye ni say information ba but they said ye ko say guarantor for no mo ba ni nyina no o mu bowura mu a o mu nipa no kura no wonim no nti I had to say nipa na beto no wo point wonom ne bia say na ye papa na of abaka say me no me na mkofa me ne 253 nso wo bisa na deep questions no they so the law beto I CI 91 e dia beto serious say ye chiwa say you do punishment ebeba also e do kokko straight because say you bu ye hu obi a wo ye Ghana hu obi a wo ye say go e say ama NDC o MPP o zuri obi a kwese san crofo de ba for no be guarantee nipa be de odi ho no eti say na yi sin so dia betu dia
sha say no you resist this issue
okay
mo be resist this issue say won say nipa 2 mbetimi about 4 10 people okay then yastic now the measure said nipa smith why am nipa 10 to wa pem ondimi nye bio e kire madwene a say then no mo di betim dia measure say atom wa onu kwa wa register mani wa voucher mani pa 10
okay
nti say atom apem untimi embaje ma obi abio guarantee ma obi abio nti kokoda obede yeah national ID no there were forms fill it nipa na voucher ma no
they are talking about Ghana card.
Yeah, Ghana card.
Okay.
Fill a form. So based on form, no, the data, the data will show.
Okay.
Say this person did this for you. what you say. Let me name easy now. Also, Monday, a maraba say, bet me ama. Still, me have no doubt.
Yeah.
Until some bet my barber can't tell me say,
data say you
say, we need the you so I bet me de achi. Ni pass my sister, we win you know, and now we win you know.
To take time and do it well and cover everybody who is a Ghanaian. I can send people way to the state say during the ebeba na fena ube guarantee mani pa 10 years Ghana ni bia wo card finish. Say this time omu to me continue with this national identification cards. Seriously taking their time, opening all the district offices. Anybody can go there and go and do it. It's still going on to the extent somebody Sanyaba abofra ye wonu ne na yamanu ni social security ne or a Ghana near hospital they know. Okay. If those who are foreigners and those who are Ghanaians.
Okay.
We need to put those men and not brofu any other. Look, if you go to Latin American countries, I've been in Ecuador. I stayed there 2 years. Every citizen has a card. They call it sensor. Free, in different countries, but your who dia Uber within 2 weeks, you have to do it. And then they'll pick you up and deport you. It's easy. Why other countries are doing it? What is so difficult? Population is saying America, who call other country, European countries, citizens need to meet your crowd of you.
Okay.
If your borders are those times French-speaking countries, say Togo need the air can.
Yeah. Long day have the Kakrana because you were just a few minutes to wrap up. We say maybe and then invite you and this has a proven leadership record in Mahama. And those who can say everything in a monitor and some of reading kind I was saying. One said another the buy say one on a comparison only the better about one the son will say, oh, and this me one on a banner. Yeah, better. Ama yedi unju masanso na NDC for Mahama so the aba so no so na Juma
o si yen it's a challenge.
Yes, challenge on so the aba was na Juma and so better so wafa bali no dey do say the communication team ni say omo boden any team ni na so better na chi no omo dey ono any running mate Professor Opoku Ajiman ebeba power no dey for sure obeba na wasima ahano no kan yibi wa ha I say, he jumped the new Patriotic Party MPP administration for failing to meet the expectation of Ghanaians, saying the MPP had no basis to ask the electorate to give them another term. Meaning say for sure say Yanyan to Obama unya ba say Opushino. So guys say a more the pass say about results after result on play. And as I say, what I keep on pushing her. I bet you, what I want to say, the okay king, wait to Rubano, we are to rubber.
Mamma, tell me, okay, we see Ghana politics. Comparison here. You actually did that. Okay. But, yeah, comparison. NDC should not forget. Say, they worked within 8 years.
Okay.
Though Mahama Kwan and 4 years.
Okay.
But 4 even plus something.
6 months.
So they should not forget they worked within 8 years. What I say? So if we are 8 years, what I say? Good. And MPP now, the MPP now has 4 years.
Get it.
Getting to 4 years. What I say? Yeah, very normal. Normal a woman Ghana for Edebeka 8 years versus 4 years. No. Mahama administration targeted only infrastructure.
So we made that point.
Okay. Or you're not just infrastructure. No, be your. Once we can say infrastructure, we young fan to Obama. We see.
We
Aha, maybe.
Okay.
We see. Obi biara obey na jin say ba yi kwan ma ya hospital ma ya school ma ya hwan infrastructure no a exercise of mediocrity a tibon course oduma P2 ni kura betumi ayo because ya sisa sika na the amount atom say be brutia na director bro say free na koje this sika we fasisa edam ha ne sa people down no man ye friends offline radio
I don't know say
oya no na yemmo abaso asan say ye na wa nkasa free wa ho di mu so di ye na director na chire kura wa nya tua wo kade a dan na director bebo abaso but we there who as part of Ojuma wadodo dia de ma even you panties cry yen ye to e de ma unya all friends opportunities and the privileges and then dia keka ho wo free so cry ye say tua wo kade dia keka ho no ya sa ta me sika ma say fa ya japa de man now to me ya no abeka say mo abaso what ma say matu ndc fu makatra wo mo say almost enjoy comparison some no nanka betumi a ompe policies bia Ghana fonti bida Ghana fonim da na Ghana fonti tum se wei ebetumi ayeye omfa ba ko pemra anona na Akufo Addo ne MPP de bayo almost started 2012 about free education one gem. Obedru 2016 free education to free education. What you feel more say? Be what do I say? It's not about what you have done. Otum for can say we tell Akufo Addo. Say Ghana hanya no near the head to aba. Number 2. Adia Ghana for head to aba. Pa do no. Eya bufu. We are buying.
Yeah, bra.
What's that bamboo besa bufu na mambo Musa. Eya bufu. So we are buying na. What share timamufo na bufu bebre a.
Ohunfunu omu.
Ah, me nia so wo dia wo ye hwan ho beto atia. Enu bi na si mahama ma ye pamo no. Yemmisa now. Say eden na MPP abai 4 years yi abufu be pa na mo dia hye na sabufu na bi wo ho ana of course 1 or 2 people benya some beef about 1 or 2 because over call galam say
yes
amam for wo na support ho but banks are gugu ye ne de ka amam for but ye say na who kosam na e dan so kra na aba na why let be our try so be make effort na be our fairly
with explanation
what I say ni nyina no Ghana for be do so ni abe
okay
ni ya hu say ni pass masi e ma ebufu no a se be eburu ebu afu no kwa
okay
but ana yes I issue a very 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 important pertinent corruption
okay
say na me yonku Kofi Aka be say opposition leader John Mahama edi ba say we should compare both we work o party na ko 8 years we are ko 4 years that means you have stayed more so say be compare ma be bra be buegusu because who number of years who what no comparison with data and statistics who dey be more of issues
yeah
what did they mention say corruption say be boa no we 4 years say boa no na we dey for 8 years who dey be to more and less
yeah
so it's so very tactical since the me can say minimum to minimum most informed voters the omohwe the why as of abaya or sisu
okay
fine mumu ka say infrastructure the one year circle overhead we see hospital na obi so a social development projects are planting for food free HHS any there kika no. If we weigh the quantum of what Ghanaians will benefit, what Ghanaians like, I want to